Escalator maintenance has a blind spot. What FM teams are missing? Like, comment, and subscribe to get all the latest from our videos. Willem de Roeper, Vice President of Global Sales at EscaTEQ, advises that escalators are among the most expensive and mechanically complex assets under a facilities manager's care, yet their cleaning risks are frequently underestimated. Maintenance responsibility is often fractured between manufacturers, FM teams, and cleaning contractors, leading to a lack of accountability and standardized methods. Traditional machine-based methods use excessive liquids that can seep into the truss, risking corrosion and damage to sensitive electrical components. Moisture-driven damage, such as diluted lubricants and electrical failure, rarely appears immediately, often surfacing as unexplained faults months later. Infrequent cleaning allows oils, grease, and debris to build up, significantly degrading step traction and increasing the risk of slips and falls. The cost of shortened component life and unplanned downtime far outweighs the perceived savings of cheap or infrequent cleaning cycles. Because machine cleans are disruptive, they happen rarely. This necessitates aggressive cleaning to remove months of grime, further risking the asset. FMs must ensure cleaning regimes don't compromise safety-critical systems, as they, not the service provider, carry the ultimate legal responsibility. Low moisture, handheld cleaning systems allow a single operator to maintain surfaces in minutes without heavy machinery or extended shutdowns. Switching to frequent, low-intensity cleaning prevents corrosive buildup and maintains consistent safety standards for the same annual cost as one deep clean. Escalator cleaning should be logged within Computerized Maintenance Management Systems, CMMS, alongside other critical infrastructure like HVAC and lifts. Documenting regular cleaning to a defined standard provides vital evidence for FMs in the event of insurance investigations or slip incidents. Surface maintenance must transition from a janitorial task to a core part of the Planned Preventative Maintenance (PPM) conversation. Standardizing the cleaning framework helps organizations align with industry benchmarks like SFG20 and ISO 41001 for better risk management. Closing the safety gap requires a shared standard between OEMs, consultants, and FM professionals rather than relying on supplier-led methods. To learn more, read the full article in our opinion category. Read more at TWinFM.com.